Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to set different phone call ringtones for particular time and date in any Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first let's just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Ringtone Scheduler. On the first list you will see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. So now you can see the various options available inside this application. So on the web you will see here option to turn on or turn off, and now you can see here already created some particular times as you can see here. So you can delete it or you can edit depending upon your needs, and you can change the ringtone also by clicking on here. You can select your custom ringtones. You can increase the volume also. So once you're done, you can just click on save. Now the particular time will be set. You can change the time also by clicking on it, and you can set your respective time, whichever time you want depending upon your needs. And below you can see here the days on which day you want to set this particular phone call ringtones. You can just select it, or you can select it for each and every day also. You can either show notifications. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this applications. And once you're done with all your settings, you can just minimize it and you're good to go. So by using this application, you can easily set different phone call ringtones for particular time and date in any Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.